Hello, I'm Nathan Graham, Harvesting Specialist with Case IH. Today we are going to go through the setup and operation of the Feedrate Control function on 250 series Axial-Flow combines. Feed rate will vary the speed of your combine in the field based on crop load, achieving optimal all-day productivity based on the needs you have defined. Although feed rate comes standard when a combine is ordered with Harvest Command combine automation, feed rate can also be ordered as a standalone feature for machines without Harvest Command. Feedrate Control has three modes you can choose from: Performance, Max Throughput, and Fixed Throughput. Selecting Performance will equalize the combine performance using losses, throughput, and grain quality, where losses are prioritized over quality. Selecting Max Throughput will increase the throughput based on the speed and engine load selected, regardless of loss or grain quality. Selecting Fixed Throughput enables the combine to vary the ground speed to maintain an established target throughput, or bushels per hour. So, navigating through the Pro 700 monitor, currently on the Run 1 screen, I'm going to navigate back to the main menu and press Automation. I'm going to select the crop type. Let's pick wheat. Then I'm going to select the strategy I want. Again, there are three strategies: Performance, Max Throughput, and Fixed Throughput. If you need a refresher on what the strategies are, simply press the blue I button for a definition. Next, we are going to select our maximum speed. Generally, this speed setting should be about 1 to 1.5 miles per hour greater than what you would normally harvest your crop at. Moving to the engine load, we are going to select 95% engine load. Axial-Flow is most efficient between 90 and 100% engine load, taking into account the engine's torque curve and increased fuel efficiency, but ultimately this setting is up to you. With these settings, now we're ready to harvest. In the Pro 700, if you look to the upper left-hand corner, you will see a feed rate icon that is grayed out or not enabled. So we are going to press and hold the feed rate button for 2 seconds. You will see the grayed out icon turn into an hourglass. The hourglass is going to tell us the system is learning the crop load on the machine. It will turn into a solid icon when we are enabled and active. The feed rate system now has full authority over the combine speeds. To retake control, simply move the handle forward for a faster speed or move the handle rearward for a slower speed. If at any time while feed rate is enabled and I want to change the speed settings without going into the Pro 700 monitor, I can simply press the shift button on the back of the handle and header up for increased speed or header down for decreased speed as conditions dictate. I can fine-tune the feed rate system by changing the feed rate sensitivity. Let's say I'm in a field that is very uniform. In this case, I don't need much speed variation, nor do I want the combine to overreact in a crop that's not varying greatly. I can navigate back to the main menu, go into the toolbox, find drives along the bottom tab, and scroll down to feed rate sensitivity and pick a lower sensitivity. The same is true if I'm in a field that has a lot of variation. I can simply increase the feed rate sensitivity, allowing the system to react quicker to changing conditions, preventing the possibility of slugging the rotor or feeder. When unloading on the go, as soon as the unloading system is engaged, the forward speed will freeze and remain fixed. Again, we can always cancel out a feed rate by moving the handle forward or rearward, regaining control of forward speed. Headland mode will enable when I press both the shift and resume when I start to make a turn. I will have control of the speed by use of the handle. As always, more information on feed rate control, setup, and operation can be found in your operator's manual. I'm Nathan Graham with Case IH. Thank you for watching.